Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Pro Angular 16, written by Adam Freeman.
This book introduces Angular, an open-source JavaScript library maintained by Google. Angular enhances HTML, making it easier to build rich applications. It follows a clear design pattern, allowing for extendable, maintainable, and testable applications. However, Angular is not suitable for every situation. It provides server-side-like functionality in the browser, which can be time-consuming when loading an HTML document. This depends on the document's complexity, the associated JavaScript code, and the browser and device used. Angular is best suited for single-page applications, which load an initial HTML document and use AJAX requests to update parts of the page. Angular and React are two popular frameworks for creating client-side applications. Both are excellent, but they differ in developer experience. Angular requires TypeScript, familiar to those who know C# or Java. React allows for mixing HTML, JavaScript, and CSS in a single file. Choose the framework that appeals to you the most, as many core concepts are transferable between frameworks. Prior web development knowledge is necessary before diving into this book. You can find refreshers on HTML and TypeScript, JavaScript in chapters 3 and 4, but note that the book lacks a comprehensive HTML and CSS reference due to space limitations. This book is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 covers the basics of Angular, including a refresher on HTML and TypeScript. Part 2 delves into Angular's features for building applications. Part 3 explores advanced Angular features for building complex and scalable applications. This book is for experienced web developers new to Angular. It does not cover the basics of web applications or programming. Some Angular features are not included as they are not useful in mainstream development, or can be achieved using covered techniques. To work with Angular, you'll need a code editor and tools such as Node.js and the Angular development package. These resources are free and compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The book contains many examples to help you learn Angular. The complete contents are listed the first time a file is used in a chapter. Changes to the code are shown in bold. Sometimes, only the elements that change are shown, creating a partial listing. To access the example code, visit the book's GitHub repository. The most effective approach for mastering Angular development is through practical demonstration. Let's start creating your very first Angular application.
Get this book at manning.com